Hi, today I have the honor of welcoming Megan McClafferty to the Butler Buzz.
Thank you.
Megan, you work at HR for Concordia.
Exactly, yes.
And today we wanted to talk to Megan because you are very much involved in RAM, which stands for Remote Area Medical.
Yes.
The first event that we ever had here in Butler County was back in 2023.
Mm-hmm.
It's coming back in 2025.
It is, November 8th and 9th.
Okay, so let's educate people though. What is RAM about?
Absolutely. So like you said, RAM stands for Remote Area Medical. It is an organization that was founded in 1985 by a man named Stan Brock. And the whole purpose of RAM is to kind of address the gaps and barriers to receiving healthcare within remote and rural areas of the U.S. So they travel all over the states. They're based in Tennessee. But what they provide is free turnkey pop-up health clinics.
I know, it's amazing.
It is truly stunning how quickly they can take any building in a community that maybe doesn't have a regular health clinic people can check out, or maybe it's folks have health insurance, but their deductibles and their copays are just so expensive they can't make proper use of it. So they will find an organization in the community to partner with and bring them to whatever community it will be. Like you were saying, it's coming back to Butler in 2025. We'll set up in a building. This time it's going to be the Butler Intermediate High School.
Okay.
And in the span of one day, they will turn the entire place into a medical clinic.
Right. So when we say medical clinic, what exactly are the kinds of services that we are all eligible to receive?
Yes. So what they do is they bring all of the materials, all of the supplies to set up medical bays where people can receive general medical care, physician checkups. We do some specialty visits for women's health, children's health, pediatric visits. They also provide a whole dental floor. So folks can come in and they can have teeth cleanings, they can have extractions, they can have dentures made on site, they can have fillings done. And then there's also a whole other separate part of the building that turns into a vision clinic.
Right.
So people can have eye tests done, people can pick out glasses, and they actually, one of the big trucks they bring with supplies turns into a mobile eyeglasses factory.
Yeah.
So over the course of the day, they will take people's prescriptions and they will actually make glasses for them that they can walk out with.
I know. I volunteered for the event back in 2023. I must tell you, Megan, it was one of the best volunteer experiences that I've ever had.
That makes me so happy to hear.
It was so rewarding.
Yes.
I met a lot of families, a lot of individuals. I kind of helped line people up and said, this is where you want to go.
You were the guide.
Yeah. But I was at the location where I saw people coming out of the vision area.
Yes.
And I saw kids wearing their brand new glasses,
yes,
being able to see clearly with big smiles on their faces. I mean, it's amazing. It is truly amazing. So you need a lot of help to pull this event off.
We do. So RAM, like I said, is a spectacular organization. And what they provide is all of the tools and instructions basically for running a clinic like this. But what I think is really unique about the organization, one of the things I think is the most fun and rewarding part of it is the fact that at the end of the day, it's neighbors helping neighbors.
Neighbors helping.
Because so many of the volunteers that come are folks who are actually from the Butler community. So we will have, again, all of the supplies, all of the equipment, the medical bays, the exam rooms. What we need is medical providers from the area that want to come and volunteer their time and have the ability to interface with and actually treat and connect folks in the community that they otherwise wouldn't be able to reach. Because we have so many folks in our community who are wonderful medical providers, and they, in some cases, feel limited in some ways by the fact that they can't see everyone. Some people don't have insurance. Some people can't afford the out-of-pocket cost without it. Some people don't feel able to access their insurance because, like, again, I said, deductibles can be high. Sometimes people have medical insurance, but they don't have the additional dental vision. The amount of people that came to the clinic in 2023 really stunned me, that said, like, I didn't have dental and I haven't had a dentist appointment in 3 years.
Right.
So what we are looking for right now is anybody in the community, medical provider or not, because like you said, you came and volunteered. I volunteered all night in the parking lot. There are so many opportunities. And so what we are looking for is anyone on the medical side of things, nurses, doctors, optometrists, ophthalmologists, dentists, dental assistants, dental hygienists, nursing students, med students, anybody who is looking to provide services and offer their time and their expertise to help the other members of their community, their fellow neighbors, as well as people who don't have any experience like that. If you want to just come and feed people, you want to say hi to people and guide them through. So that is what we are looking for right now.
Awesome. Well, you definitely have to come back. We'll talk more about the clinic when it gets closer. Again, November 8th and 9th. Please go online and consider volunteering for this upcoming event that's going to help so many people in our community. Thank you, Megan.
Thank you.
Keep up the great work.
Thank you.
Thanks for watching this episode of the Butler Buzz. If you want to see more, just click on the playlist button up here. To keep up to date with all of Armstrong Neighborhood Channel, click on the subscribe button down here. Hey, I suggest you do both. See you next time.